Shopping for a personal loan. SoFi is a major player, but how does it stack up against lenders like Upstart, Marcus, or Lightstream? Let's compare the key factors. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. SoFi stands out for high loan amounts, up to $100,000, long terms, and member benefits like career coaching and financial planning. They often cater to borrowers with good to excellent credit. Compare this to competitors who might offer loans to those with fair credit, like Upstart, or provide exceptionally low rates for the most creditworthy, like Lightstream. Also compare fees. SoFi has no origination fees, which is a big plus. My crucial pro tip: use pre-qualification tools everywhere. Most lenders, including SoFi, let you check your personalized rate with a soft credit check. Do this with 3 to 4 top lenders. Compare the actual April, monthly payment, and total cost offered to you, not just the advertised ranges. The best loan is the one you qualify for. Find the right fit for your credit profile and financial goal. What's your top priority in a personal lender? Lowest rate, fastest funding, or best customer service? For more clear-cut financial comparisons, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.